Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to create your account on the Funimation. So first of all you have to just go on the official website of the funimation.com and then you will be here at this interface. You have to just click on the login at the very top right corner. Doing so you will find here's a step of the interface. As we want to create new account, for this you have to just move to the bottom of this page and here you will find the sign up for free account option. So you have to just click on it and here you have to just put your account details like your email address and your password and then click on the continue. Doing so you can see that your account has been signing up successfully. Now you have to just move to the previous page and then click on the login and put here your account details and then click on the sign in. Congratulations, your account has been created. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.